everyone, what's up? I'm here somewhere in Pangasinan. Is this Pangasinan? La Union pa to, no? Somewhere...
We're on the side of Sison.
Yeah, border of Sison and maybe La Union, I think. And I'm here with some of the Kwadheads and Carl. And we flew a little bit of long range here. Over the Bued River, over the old Sison bridge, and over there. That's the TPLX bridge over the Bued River.
You say you need me, but I don't have the time. I told you I'd be there when you listen.
Ano nangyari?
Hintay ko na magkaroon ako ng VTX signal. Pero nag-start nang bumalik. I'm starting to get signal. Ayan na, nakikita ko na. Malapit na siya sa bridge.
I'm so bad at trying to be good for you. I don't even look at you when I know I'm gonna break your heart. I'm so bad.
Okay. So at least GPS rescue work. Went almost, I don't know, 3.6 kilometers, 3.7 kilometers before it completely blacked out. And I couldn't see anything until it was like 300 meters away. But yeah, that was just the warm-up.
I told you good for you. Now that you're gone, I don't feel so good. Can you please come back just to tuck me in? Promise I'll be interested in all of your things. I made it look like I tried, not hard enough.
2.07 yung last mo? Ilan na? Oh, yun.
Masaya na ako dun sa 3.25. Ay, 2.25 kilometers.
Yeah, forward, landing. Nice. Ilan? Ilan? Ang distance? 2.34. Nice.
I don't know.
2 kilometers, 3.5.
Abutin mo ba 4?
Sige.
Sige, andiyan ka na lang rin. Sige, diretso. Ilan yung record? 4.2. Nice. Congrats.
When I know I'm gonna break your heart, I'm so bad that I don't even notice it. When I give you empty promises, it's like I know I'm gonna break your heart. Yeah, I'm so bad. So give up on me, I'll set you free. I'm so bad. Give up on me, I'm not good for you. It's not hard to see. So give up on me, I'll set you free. I'm so bad. Give up on me, I'm not good for you. It's not hard to see.
And we were able to fly a little bit over 4 kilometers. Well, at least Robinson did. I did around 3.8. And RJ did his personal best of 2.5. 2.5?
I think 2.3.
2.3, which is personal best. We're beating records, probably not the group record, but at least our personal records. So we're just going to fly some more drones here. We had lunch and we are going to go over to Badiwan in a little bit. See you there. So we're here back at the house. Unfortunately, we did pass by Badiwan, but unfortunately it was already foggy because I forgot, every afternoon here it is quite foggy. So, the visibility was really, really poor. Almost nothing. You could hardly see anything. So that probably has to wait for a different time. In the meantime, make sure you are subscribed to this channel and hit that like button. And as always, keep building and keep flying.
I'm so bad at trying to be good for you. I don't even look at you